Miss Rashmi Chetri. Today we are going to start with English. So this is the book that we are going to follow today. Cursive, capital and small letter book, page 27 to 30. So if you open to page number 27, what you will get is, let me show you. This is the thing that you will get. We have already started in our exercise book also, and this also, that is cursive, caps and small. Here the revision part is there, E, F, G, H. You have to trace all this. And if you open to page number 28, you will get I. Cursive capital I. Here cursive small I in page number 28. And in page number 29 you will get, sorry, that was page number 29, okay? Cursive small I. And here in page number 30 you will get both. Revision, cursive capital and small. Now again I am going to show you on the board. Just have a look at the board, okay? So this is cursive capital A and small, again cursive capital B and small, cursive capital C and small, then cursive capital D and small, okay? So here cursive capital E and small, okay? So here cursive capital F and small, and here it's G, okay, in this way, and H also we have already done now. So today the main letter that we are going to learn today is I. So put in this way you will start, okay? In this way you will finish up, okay? And for small letter, 2 lines, okay? In this way, very easy. So this is the main letter that we have learned today, and along with this book, this is the homework, okay? Page number 27 to 30 of cursive, caps and small book is your homework, and in notebook, in exercise, in classbook and homework copy both, this you have to do, okay? Write cursive A to I. Here I have already written, you will get the question, you have to trace, not trace, you have to write down, you have to follow this from A to I, okay? So kids, that's all. So kids, now we are going to start with maths, okay? So this is the book we are going to follow today. This is Easy Learning Maths, page number 41 to 45, and let's count 1 to 100, page 90 to 91. So, okay, so Easy Learning Maths, open to page number 41. Alright, so if you open to page number 41, you will get these things, number 51 to 60, as we have already started with tens and ones. Here, 5 tens and 1 1. How? These all box contains 10 crayons, okay? These all packet contains 10 crayons. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens, and loose crayons is only 1, so 1. Ones में क्या लिखेंगे? 1. So 51. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens, 1, 2. Loose crayons are 2, so 5 tens and 2 ones equals to 52. 5 tens and 3 ones. 5 packets of 10 colors, and here 3 loose colors are there. So 3 ones. So how many? 5 tens and 3 ones equals to 53. 5 tens and 4 ones equals to 54. 5 tens and 5 ones equals to 55. Okay. So everyone turn the page. It's page number 42. Again the same thing. Here again 5 tens. 5 packets of 10 crayons, and loose crayons are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 tens and 6 ones, 56. 5 tens and 7 ones. 7 ones equals to 57. Again 5 tens and 8 ones. Again 10 crayons are there in 5 packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 tens, and loose are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Loose crayons are 8. So 5 tens and 8 ones equals to 58. 5 tens and 9 ones equals to 59. 6 tens equals to 60. Okay. So here are also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packets of 10 crayons. Loose crayons are also 10. That's why 60. Okay. 6 tens and 0 ones. So 60. Alright. So page number 43. There are 5 tens and 3 ones equals to 53. So we have to count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are total 10 beads in each circle, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 tens, and loose beads are 1, 2, 3. That means 3. Suppose I am going to show you here on the board, okay? This is the circle, so there are total 10 beads, okay? In this way there are total 10 beads, and those are only 1 2 3 ये जो beats है ना सर्कल, there are total 5 circles, so 5 tens and 3 ones. Okay, so how many the number will be 53. Okay, so in this way you will be doing all this. Here also 3 tower of tens, कितने यहाँ पे 10 beats है ना, there are total 3 towers and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So total 9 loose beats are there, that means 5 tens and 9 ones equals to 59. So here in this way you are going to complete this page as we have already done in the previous class also, tens and ones है ना. So next page is page number 44. This, write the numbers 51 to 60, very easy. You have to trace these numbers and you have to write all this, okay? And in page number 45 you will get count and write. You have to count, there are fruits in all the baskets, you have to count the baskets like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So in all this basket there are total 10 fruits and 10 oranges and here 1 loose orange is there. That means आपको ये सारा fruits count करके नहीं लिखना है. 1 2 3 4 5 tens and 1 ones, 51. Okay, again here tens के basket है and loose fruits are 1 2 3 4 5. loose कितने हैं? 5 है. 1 2 3 4 5, 5 tens and 5 ones, that means 55. In this way you have to complete all this from page number 41 to 45 of which book? Easy Learning Maths. Okay, now we will be doing let's count 1 to 100, page 90 to 91. Alright, so if you open to page 90, let's see what you will get. Again the revision part. See, we have already done this है ना. I can write the numbers from 1 to 20. In the previous class we have done from 1 to 15. So here it's 1 to 20. In this way you will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 all this and till 20 you have to write. In this page also and in page number 91 also, in this way you will follow all this. Trace and write. Trace and write. Okay. So in this way you have to complete. So that's all. Thank you so much. So kids, now we are going to follow today. Now we are going to do EVS and GK following this book, EVS activity book, page number 24 to 26. Okay. So here, if you open to page 24, you will get color the green vegetables. Now whatever the green vegetables are, you have to color it. So this is reddish. It is red in color. No need to color it. Here this is potato. No coloring. Peas are green in color. So color peas. Spinach is green in color, color it green. Brinjal, no. Purple. This is tomato, red, no. This is ladyfinger, green color. Okay. So if you turn to page number 25, match the animals to their uses. First one is buffalo. Buffalo gives us what? Milk. Match it. This is horse. Horse is used to pull the carts. So match it. Sheep gives us wool. Match it with wool. Hen gives us egg. Match it with egg. Bees gives us honey, match it with honey. And in page number 26, what you will get is, see, write W for wild animals and D for domestic animals. Wild animals lives in jungle and domestic animals we keep in our home. So what is this? This is bear, bear. So this is wild animal, right? W. Cow we keep it in our home only, so domestic. This is horse, so we don't keep horse in our home, again wild, W. This is camel, no, we don't keep it in our home, so wild. Tiger, to very, no, we don't keep it, W. So this is fox, no. For dog, yes, we keep it in our home, this is wild. And for giraffe, again wild, okay. And for horse, you can write domestic animals, okay, also, okay. So that's all. In this way you have to do this page also. So the homework is page 24 to 26 of the book, EVS activity book, okay. So that's all for today kids. Thank you so much.